ka ba? Buksan mo! Dandan! 7,000 pesos! Sobre o pera! Sobre pa rin, ha? 10,000 pesos! Sobre o pera!
You're taking me back. You're taking me back. When the world was small and everything.
2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, bilang 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, 13,000, 14,000, 15,000. Sobre! 2,000 pesos, pera or sobre!
Sobra pa rin!
6,000 pesos, pera or sobre!
Sobra pa rin!
Sobre! Okay, sobre!
You're taking me back. You're taking me back.
5,000 pesos, pera or sobre! 7,000 pesos, pera or sobre! 8,000 pesos, pera or sobre! 10,000 pesos, pera or sobre! Sobre!
You're taking me back. When everything moves slow.
Pera or sobre? Ano gusto mo? Ito o pera? Pera na. 7,000 pera pinili niya. Tingnan natin magkano to. Ang dapat niyang mapapanalunan ay pinagpalit sa 100,000! 3,000! 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Thank you, Nay.
You're taking me back. You're taking me back.
Okay. So, okay, hawakan mo ang ating si Venus. 7,000 pesos! Pera or sobre? Sobre! Be, paninindi ka na. 10,000 pesos! Pera or sobre? Sobre pa rin, ha? Nay, ready ka na ba?
I still remember weekend trips, late night drive to our favorite hits.
2,000. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15!
You're taking me back. You're taking it was ours. You're taking me back. You're taking me back.
Ayan tayo, magbayad ka ng pambili ng ano ng ilaw. Nanalo ka ng 15,000, syempre. Yan sa masipag banang kayo mo.